Is it possible that X39 protects us against 5G? We have preliminary data to suggest that X39 and X49 protect against 5G, but we're not ready to make that claim. So I'll explain. When we want to run an experiment, and this is very well known in physics, and this is done throughout the world, you create what's called a Faraday cage to block out electromagnetic radiation. So let's say that you put something inside a box that is covered with a copper screen, a copper mesh, and then you ground the copper. Electromagnetic waves can't get through. So there's a variety of reasons why you would want to do an experiment like that. Now, when we're talking about 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all this synthetic radiation, the reason why we should be concerned about this is because studies have shown that this microwave energy does in fact damage healthy tissue. We can go back more than 15 years, look at studies done at the University of Colorado School of Medicine, and we see holding a cell phone up to your head will increase heating in brain tissue and damage brain tissue. So you should never hold the cell phone up to your head. These are microwave energies. So if we look at 5G, it's going to be a wave of 2.4 gigahertz and higher. Now, 2.4 gigahertz is the same frequency as a microwave oven. And the way a microwave oven works is that it causes water molecules to rotate. And this generates friction and generates heat. We are unfortunately being bombarded by microwave energy from all of these sources. It's not going away anytime soon. The government doesn't want to deal with it or admit that it's a problem. Fortunately, we were created to adapt. We have copper in our skin. So just like that copper mesh in a Faraday cage is going to screen out electromagnetic energy, if we take a copper supplement or get enough copper in our diet, and we increase copper peptide, GHK and AHK, we can reduce the effect of radiation on our body. This is actually documented in studies on GHKCU, that it will reduce the impact of UV radiation on the body, which of course is a higher frequency than microwaves coming from 5G. We have preliminary data in a study that shows that X39 and X49 within days can reduce the impact of 5G on the body. But we're not ready to make that claim, and there, I would say, are certain legal issues with making that claim relative to FDA and FTC. So we may never make the claim, but I'm delighted people are going to get that benefit anyway.